road, looking at the road, he's got a big tank bolted to the front of his truck. And lots of these blowers do have that, because when they invented these trucks, they got the dimensions wrong. That hopper fills up with rock, sinks to the ground, the front of the truck looks at the sky. So they put a steel tank on the front and fill it with rocks to keep the front down. So the highway's fenced to keep tourists out. These access points coming up, they've all got a number. They spend, let's just say $100,000 on one parcel. It's not cracking until you start cutting it. They get home to China and find they've been done. So they're sticking their neck out buying rough opal. So they've got every right to be very picky about what they're buying. You spend big money, you want to be sure of yourself. Now these Caldwell drills, people, they drill a 1 metre diameter hole. Have a look at this up here. Look, in fact, look everywhere. All the shafts here. This place is frightening. Look at that. You just get swallowed up here so quick. I kid you not. I want you to bring your drill machine up. That's, yeah, house bricks. But then it stopped. Right here, the opal just stopped. All this work ahead now is expensive. It's all done bulldozers, excavators and trenching machines. No opal. And the people who did it kept on trying all the way along.